Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Somi and I'm back with another interesting makeup tutorial. Now for today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to draw your eyeliner, especially for those who have hooded eyes. So if you know you have hooded eyes and you're finding it difficult to draw a perfect winged eyeliner, now this video is for you. Don't go anywhere and just keep watching every part or step of this tutorial video. So the first thing you need to do is to get your eyeliner. You can get the liquid eyeliner and you can get the gel eyeliner, whichever one you prefer. So I'll be using the gel eyeliner. I have my angled brush as well with me. So the first thing I'm going to do is to get the gel eyeliner with my angled brush. Now you have to focus well on this tutorial or whatever I'm doing. Just focus very well. So the first thing I'm going to do is to place the angled brush like this. From here, I'll extend it upwards. You can see the line I created with this eyeliner. So that's the first thing you're going to do. Now here is the trick. What you're going to do next is that you're going to, from this point here, you're going to bring it downward. Let me extend the line so that you can see it very well. So from this point here, I'm going to take it downwards to this part where my skin folded. So that's what you're going to do. Okay, so I have actually drawn the line from here to this point where my skin folded. So once you do this, you're going to close your eye for the next part. So you close these eyes, and then from this point you're going to take it downwards like this. And when you do this, you see that it's actually looking like a wing when you look at camera, but when you close your eyes, you see that it's extending downwards. It's going down like this. But when I look at the camera, it looks straight. So that's the hack. You're now going to merge it to this point of your eyes like this. From here, just a very thin line, not too big. So now once you do this, you're going to now fill in those holes that you left. So now you can see how it looks when I look at the camera, when I close my eyes. So now that's the hack to get a perfect wing eyeliner. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to this amazing channel, and leave a comment down below. I want to know your opinion on this video or this tutorial. Let me know if you learned it. And also remember, practice makes perfect. So practicalize what you just learned today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.